how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a creepy cat. It's requested by somebody on the comment section, so let's get started, okay? It's going to be simple and easy, by the way. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a, line over there. Marker's a little bit dry. Let me replace it with this one. Up here. Pull down. It's for the ear. Across here for the flat of the head, top part of the head. Out. Curve down. Curve down. It's going to go over here and wrap around here. It's going to have a kind of a curve right here for the mouth, a curve right here for the mouth. Curve in and curve in. I'm going to draw one of the eyes over here. It's going to be relatively big. Eyes over here, relatively big. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw kind of a line like that because I want to highlight there. And I'm going to fill in the rest of it. Like so. Gonna go right here, pull down here for the neck. Line over here for his back. He's kind of sitting down. Down, 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 down. For his legs right here, they're coming downward. Curve around here. By the way, I forgot to say, if you like drawing Halloween stuff and creepy stuff, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and bell notification. What that's going to do is it's going to let you know when I post videos. I'm going to be posting, I don't know, 1 to 2, 3 videos every single day for the season. I only post for about 3 months. It's a seasonal channel. And then maybe I post once a month after that. I might post a little bit in December as well. So please do me a huge favor and yourself a favor and subscribe. Because for next year, the cool part about a seasonal channel is when next year starts rolling around, starts hitting late September, I'm going to start posting again, and you'll see that come up, on your feed. You'll be like, oh, yeah, cool. Over here, line, line, line for the paws. Curve line here, in. Curve line in. Going to go over here. Run S for the tail. Curve over here. Go back in. Line across here the eyes. For the nose, down with a little triangle. And I'm going to draw a big old kind of round shape. So I'm going to pull across here for the smile. It's going to be like a banana in his mouth or something like that, right? Line down. Okay, we're doing good. And I'm going to draw sharp teeth. See that? It's just going to be a zigzag. I'm literally zigzagging across the whole thing. Hopefully you're having a great day. I'm excited for Halloween. I can't wait to buy my outfit. That's the thing I'm really looking forward to. Right on. Gonna go over here on this side, curve line in, bam, bam, line over here, bam, bam, like so. Line over here, line over here. Okay, we're doing pretty good. We're pretty much done. I'm just going to add a couple more things. What would make him a little creepier, right? Maybe some line right here for some stray hairs. Maybe even over here. Sorry, a line over here for the bottom of the body there. I forgot that. Thin lines around the eyes. See that? Thin lines. So he looks all like tired or weird, right? You want to make that. See these little thin lines? It has to be thin because these are detail lines. Primary lines are thick, detail lines are thin. Let's draw 3 dots over here, 3 dots over here. We could draw, let's see, a couple lines here. We could draw actual whiskers though. I didn't think about that. They're supposed to come from the face, but maybe if I just throw them from the side over here, it'll have a similar effect. I've seen that a lot. Maybe right here we can have some drool. See that line over here? Line over here. Down that droplet there. Down that droplet here. Do it over here as well. I'll make them extra creepy, right? All right. Let's see what else we can do. Maybe just kind of a line over here, like the shadow. I don't know. It's something looks. I've seen that in cartoons a lot. Sometimes they'll add like a shadow, and makes them look ominous. You know, maybe just on one side, or just grounds them. I guess could just ground them. Might throw a little bit of a thicker line here for a shadow on the off the ear there. And then maybe I'll draw a little circle here. Like that. Like, I don't know. Maybe like a belching, I don't know what that would be. Anyways, that's mostly it, by the way. Let me fill in the nose, actually. I'm going to fill it in there. That's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for watching. You guys are amazing. I'm going to give you a free gift, and I've talked about this in several videos already. So it's free templates, free drawing templates. These are drawing templates from last year. I actually sold them as a product for the last few years. And what it is, it's like one page of how-to on a specific drawing, right? That would be like one page. But I gave you 100 pages. They're made to print. It's a PDF file with 100 pages in it. You can always press like print, print page 7. They do that and stuff like that. If you just want to print a couple. Go over there. They're made to print. They're completely free right now. That's my gift to you. So go check that out. That's the first link in the top of the description there. You will enjoy it and you will love it. So, yeah, I want to thank you so much. I don't think I'm going to make it free next year, so get it right now while it is there. And that's all. I want to thank you guys so much. I've been doing this for a few years, and I feel like every single year it gets funner and funner to do it, and I'm really excited. So that's it. I will talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you very soon, okay? Hopefully have a great time, and I'll see you later. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to say, share the video if you enjoyed it. That's better than anything else, right? If you just share it anywhere on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, Pinterest. If you share it somewhere, it brings back the Halloween cheer so heavily. So please do that. And that is it. I'll talk to you next time, all right? See you soon.